What's up, weirdos? What's going on? One last video for the night, guys. We just finished up Open Mic Fridays over on the Patreon. Phenomenal time. If you miss out on it, guys, you have no idea the good time you're missing, the educational time you're missing. Absolutely fantastic. All right, we got some big things to talk about, guys. Jasmy at risk of a Binance delisting and more. Let's get into it. So Jasmy down 3% on the day, 10.3 on the week, 40.5 on the month, and 47.8 on the year. Up one spot in rank to 98, a $546 million market cap, 62 million in volume. Swift Coin down 4.2% on the day, 12 on the week, 35.8 on the month, and 75 on the year to the upside. Up four spots in rank to 320, a $96 million market cap, 1.94 million in volume. XCN is right here, down 4.5% on the day, 16.5 on the week, 40.5 on the month, but up 221% on the year. Even in rank at 151, $314 million market cap, 20 million in volume. And our beloved Zebek down 7.5% on the day, 12.8 on the week, 36.7 on the month, and 61.3 on the year. We're down 6 spots in rank to 385, a $75 million market cap, 12.88 million in volume. Let's go have a look at that Bitcoin chart, see what's going on out there. All right, so Bitcoin kind of working its way back down again, sitting at $83,697 and working its way down. But we've been expecting this, guys. I've been saying this for a while. I know most people disagree with me, and that's fine. Some people attack me in the comment section, and that's fine. You know, I could be wrong. Right? I think we're going to break below this 82K level eventually here, guys, and down to 69 to 74K. That's still in the cards, guys, like it or not. Only way to invalidate that is a move to the upside and to close multiple daily candles above $91,000, right? You may not like it, but it is what it is, right? I personally like it. I know a lot of you guys in the community like it because you have a bunch of dry powder sitting on the sides just waiting to take advantage of the situation. That's what we do, baby. That's what we do. We stuff our bags. We take advantage. Absolutely. So we'll continue to watch this play out, and we will be ready to pounce. We're slowly DCAing, guys. We got some top picks over on the Patreon that we are accumulating. Even now at these prices, phenomenal opportunity. We are not missing out on it at all. Okay, so let's move over and start having a look at the news that we have here, guys. But first, real quick, shout out to the channel sponsor, Descent Self-Custody Wallet, guys. Get yours today. Do not leave your crypto on exchanges or on your hot wallets, Coinbase Wallet, Binance, whatever. Listen, if you get hacked and your crypto gets taken, there is no recourse. Exchanges will not reimburse you. There is zero help out there for you, okay? It's just gone. Don't risk your money, guys. You wouldn't leave your purse or wallet on a table in a mall. Why would you leave your digital asset money dangling out there for a hacker to come and take? Get yourself a self-custody wallet today. I use them. You should use them. Everybody should use them. Not your keys, not your coins. Use our link down below, guys. Get a phenomenal deal right now. All right. Before we get into the Jasmy stuff, real quick news for Swift Coin, because we haven't talked much about it. New listing for Swift Coin. Yes, Garda Wallet now listing Swift Coin. You absolutely love it, guys. One of our favorite projects. Love to see more liquidity come into the project. Very, very bullish. All right, let's move over to the Jasmy story, shall we? Jasmy Coin at risk of Binance delisting. Executive identifies key issues. And what's next for Jasmy? Things aren't looking great for Jasmy right now. After a disappointing Binance vote, the cryptocurrency is teetering on the edge of a potential delisting from one of the world's largest exchanges. But amid the uncertainty, There's been one silver lining. The team finally understands exactly why they're in this precarious position. This is a quote from Hara. I really struggled this week. The Binance vote was not a good one, but there's only one good thing that came out of it. It did clear up why Jasmy is in the monitoring zone, finally, explained Hara, Jasmy's chief financial officer, in a candid statement that revealed both frustration and determination. Addressing previous misconceptions about Jasmy's issues. For months, the Jasmy team has been working to address what they thought were the main issues keeping them in the Binance monitoring zone. First, they suspected the community engagement problem. So Hara ramped up communication efforts on X and Telegram to create more transparency. When that didn't seem to resolve the issue, they wondered if their international reach was insufficient. This led to a partnership with Aveda, a Hong Kong-based brand, to strengthen their presence through the Asian Pacific region. The team even questioned whether their closed development approach was the issue. Quote, in the environment of Jasmy, we're developing BTOB products for companies. So all information is managed under an NDA, which is a non-disclosure agreement, said Hara. Their solution was creating Junction, a crypto-native team building an open-source blockchain to enhance Jasmy's utility and interoperability. Meanwhile, Jasmy continued forging partnerships with major players like Panasonic, Sony Group, and Transcosmos, even exploring carbon credit initiatives through academic collaborations. Through all of this, Hara remained confident about the token's liquidity. Quote, the liquidity, which I consider the most important, is completely sufficient. I think we all feel the same way. The unexpected root cause of Jasmy's problem. After exhausting what seemed like every possible reason for their monitoring status, Hara made a breakthrough this week. Quote, why an innovation zone? I have been struggling with this for a long time. I found the answer this week. It was the only one I didn't expect. While he doesn't explicitly reveal the specific issue, his next statement offers an important perspective shift. Quote, Binance is our biggest partner in token liquidity, not a hated enemy. This suggests a more collaborative approach moving forward, with Hara adding, quote, the rest is my work. I have already started working on the solution. Jasmy's technical analysis points to potential price recovery. Despite the uncertainty, some community members see potential for Jasmy's price recovery. CryptoPeer, a market analyst following Jasmy, points out that the token's current chart patterns mirror those seen before its last major rally. Jasmy outlook is pointed towards $1. Consistency leads to success, CryptoPeer stated, noting a falling wedge pattern forming now that resembles the one from July to November of 2024. That previous pattern preceded a significant December breakout that sent prices soaring from 1 cent to 6 cents. As you can see, they're just pointing this out now. If you've been on the channel for a while, you know we've been monitoring this, how this played out and how this is playing out for like 5 months or something like that, right? So it's not new information to us. Technical analysis shows strong support around 1 cent 1.2 to 1 cent 2.5, a level that buyers have repeatedly defended. If history repeats itself, we might see an initial rise to around 2 cents 5, a brief cooling off period, and potentially another surge towards 5 cents or higher. Implications of a potential Jasmy Binance delisting. The consequences of an actual Binance delisting would be serious for Jasmy. Being removed from the platform would drastically reduce its liquidity and accessibility, likely triggering a sell-off as investors rush to exit their positions before the delisting takes effect. Beyond the immediate price impact, such a move could damage confidence in the project's future, making it harder to secure new partnerships or advance development goals. The next few weeks will be crucial, with Hara now apparently understanding the core issue and actively working on a solution. Jasmy's team finds itself in a race against time to address Binance's concerns and secure the token's future on the exchange. So it's all in Hara's hands now, guys. He finally has an answer to the question, why is Jasmy in the monitoring zone? And he knows what he can do about it. Apparently, it's something that he can do, and he is actively working on solving said problem. So, very, very bullish news, guys. Listen, we had a phenomenal time tonight on the live over on the Patreon. Guys, listen, if you're new to crypto, if you've never been through a bull run before, if you are sitting around right now and you feel like you're over diversified, or you're worried that you're not going to know when you should be selling, when you should be taking profits, how to identify better projects to roll your profits into, and how to get the most ROI out of your portfolio in this bull run, get over to the Patreon, guys. Schedule a one-on-one with me personally. We'll sit down. We will have a private conversation about your portfolio and what we can do to maximize the potential ROI in it, right? We have our top picks over there as well. If you want to get involved early in projects, guys, my picks have been just knocking it out of the park. You can check it out in any of our live streams. The people go crazy for it. We made a 3,000% return on our XCN call. We got in early in ZBEC, on Nadix, on Moonwell. We got in early on Cookie, just XPR. So many phenomenal plays, guys, and the hits just keep on coming. So check out our top picks over on the Patreon as well. We get out new ones almost every single day. We're live every single day. We have open mic Fridays. You can book your one-on-one coaching calls with me personally. The chat is constantly buzzing 24/7. We are one of the largest educational crypto communities out there, and we're there to guide you. Just the other month, we helped 28 members of our Patreon reach 7-figure portfolios, guys. And we're looking to ramp those numbers up. We want to make more people 7-digit portfolios. So get over there, check it out for yourselves, guys. The link is down below. If you don't like it, you can leave. No problem, right? Not locked into anything. So check it out. I think that you're not going to want to leave, though. I promise you 2 things. 1, you're going to learn to be a better investor and trader in this space. And 2, once you see the wealth of knowledge at your fingertips and the help that you get from not only me, but our entire community, you're not going to want to leave. So check it out for yourselves, guys. Once again, click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.